Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essie Cooks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a chickpea peanut curry. This comes together so fast and easy in one pot, and it's the perfect weeknight meal. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is get our pan on medium heat, and we're going to add a tablespoon or two of neutral oil to the pan. Alright, now next we are going to add a diced onion, so it can be a red onion, it can be a white onion. I had a white onion on hand, so one small diced onion. We're just going to let that cook for about 2 minutes, stirring it nicely around. Now that our onion is a bit translucent, we are going to add in our ginger. So we've got about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 3 cloves of minced garlic. And I'm going to add in my dried spices now as well. So I just have 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I added 1 little dash of turmeric. I have 2 tablespoons of garam masala and hot chili powder to taste. And I'm just going to lightly toast those in the pan. So I'm going to just toast those spices lightly. This should just take me about a minute and a half here. Just make sure you're stirring constantly. Ooh, it smells so good. Now we are going to add in 1 19-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. We're going to add in 1 19-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. We're going to add in 1 19-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. 2 tablespoons of all-natural peanut butter. Now this is what's going to add that delicious creamy peanut flavor. Now we're going to cook this down on medium heat for about 6 or 7 minutes. If you have time to cook it longer, to simmer it longer on low, you can do that instead. You can simmer this for 20 minutes to half an hour. It's just going to make the flavors even better, but honestly it tastes amazing if you just quickly cook this down 6 or 7 minutes, and it makes for a faster, easier weeknight meal. Now we are going to add in a huge handful of spinach, so about 3 cups of spinach. Now we are just going to cook that down for another 1 to 2 minutes until that spinach is wilted. It doesn't take long at all once you mix it in. You can see right here at about 2 minutes that spinach is all wilted and ready to go. Now we're just going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Now we're just going to finish this off with a nice squeeze of lime juice. And I saved a little bit of the coconut cream from the can, so I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle that on top. It honestly doesn't make a difference if you put it in or put it on top, except it looks beautiful when you drizzle it on top like this. So you can just take a little bit with a spoon and swirl it around, and it really adds to the presentation. Make sure you stay tuned for the taste test. I'm going to be letting my husband try this one out as well. And of course, you can serve this dish with rice or naan, and that is going to make it a complete delicious meal.
It's taste test time. This smells really good. I'm excited to try. Cheers.
That's nice.
That's real nice.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you want to see more easy weeknight meals like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below for more like this.